So I just got the cover off while trying to do my spark plug change. I was misfiring on cylinder 1 and 4. Figured I had some fouled plugs, and look and behold, I have got some really fouled plugs. Like, oh crap, not good. Okay, so I just got done with the spark plug change and getting the wheel locks off, and this is what we have. So that is the wheel lock, and I used a 17mm 12.2-inch half-inch socket just so I could get a big breaker on there. And yeah, hammered that on with a 4-pound sledge and knocked it off. But that was really fun to do. The neighbors were kind of looking at me crazy. So that was that. But then we also have a spark plug from, I believe, cylinder 3, if I remember right. Yeah, that's a lot of oil. That's just on the outside. Let me show you another one real quick to kind of give you an idea. Even though that one's still pretty dirty, there's no oil up around the outer base on the ceramic. Yeah, there's oil all up in there. It's no wonder it was fouling out, so yeah, good times. But that was that project.